Hi friend, I'm Marion. Welcome to Marion Kitchen. I've got big secret to share. I'm finally got my own cookbook. My cookbook, just for you. Today we're gonna make Thai chicken Laab. Thai chicken Laab is classic Thai dish. A lot of fresh herb, beautiful dish. One of my favorite. Mine is the best. I'm gonna share with you how to make Thai chicken Laab. Now let's cooking. First we're gonna make the dressing. Step 1, we need to toast the rice in the rice frying pan. Don't need any oil. We want a high heat. When your pan nice and hot, you add your rice. Check your pan to the golden brown. No burn. Watch it closely. After 5 or 10 minutes, you should have this beautiful golden color. That's how you know that your rice is ready. Time to grind it. With the roasted rice, you want to pound it up so you have your fine powder. This is the fun part. Oh, my arm getting sore. Where's Marion? She should doing this. She my sous chef. My sous chef. How this should look. It should look like this. Now we're gonna finish the resting. Step 1, gonna make the sauce. I'm the sauce boss. You listen to know it. Fish sauce and chili, not too spicy, just nice and tasty. Palm sugar. Juicy lamb. Now we get a spoon to stir the sauce. Make sure the sugar dissolve. To me, it's perfect. You want more lamb, you can put some more in. Oh, don't forget the rice. I work hard for this. Now I'm gonna add the rice. This adds nutty flavor. Stir it all together. Salt very important to Laab. This no special sauce. Time to cook the chicken. Nice big pan. Heat it up. The high heat. First step, add some water and you add the chicken mince. We use water when we cook the chicken. Traditional Thai chicken Laab, not crispy, like a poached chicken. That's how Noi does it. Look good. Good Laab but not too wet. Grab the spoon, drain away the liquid. We won't just cook chicken. Okay, while the chicken is still warm, we're gonna add it to our sauce. Now we're gonna add some shallot. Get the sauce on the chicken. Mix it well. Smells so good. I'm excited. We're nearly there. We're gonna make it better. We're gonna add herb with the green, a lot of flavor. We make a Thai dish, you need herb. Coriander first. Make sure you pull up the stem first. Next mint. This mint leaf is too big. I need to chop it. And some spring onion. I'm gonna use the white bit and the green bit. I'm gonna mix again. You know, find this in local Thai shop. You can't get this to take away. No special. Perfect for Noi. If you need more flavor, you done it wrong. Just joking. Just add more lamb, more chili, and more salt until make you happy. Now we're gonna serve it. Serve off your Laab in your plate. Now we're gonna snack bean. That's how the snack bean look like. Look like a regular bean but nice and long. Like a green head. And the cabbage, yeah? Wow! That's special looking plate. That's good Thai dinner. How easy is that? This one, you break it up in half like this, and you will pick up the Laab like this. That's how you eat. You use a snack bean, carve it like a spoon. That's how we do it. Mama Noi saving you time. Thai lady secret, or my cookbook. Click the link below to pre-order now. My team got a good deal for you. Bye, internet people. Take away this one.